Hello and welcome. We are super excited to share more about Brainbase with you today. We are Brainbase. Our mission is to make the intellectual property industry more open, efficient, accessible to anyone so that IP management doesn't stand in the way of creating or managing a game-changing business. We want to impact the entire IP lifecycle. Currently, we have one product that's live, Brainbase Assist, which is at the end of the IP lifecycle in licensing management. We want to complete the lifecycle by supporting people when they get started filing a trademark, to protect and renew it, and eventually to license it. We're ready to shake up the space and complete the lifecycle with our new products, File and Vault. What is File? We have created File for the first step of the IP journey. File is an online trademark filing tool that makes a confusing process easy and automated. We are solving a problem. The act of filing a trademark on the USPTO website is challenging, and keeping track of the filing process is even more challenging, especially when you manage a large portfolio of trademarks. So why is Brainbase different from what's out there? Well, File helps you get approved lightning faster because we have automation. We help eliminate human error with our AI-powered goods and service recommendations. We add transparency to the process by giving you a portal that you can track. Currently, the process of filing a trademark can be opaque. For example, when you don't get clear communications from the USPTO or you don't understand the office actions, there isn't currently an established process for this. Information is not centralized. We can help you instantly own your brand across all channels. We can secure your domain names and social media handles in one easy step after you file, so you can hit the ground running. You can file a trademark for as low as $249 when we launch. So what happens when you file and register your trademark? What comes next? Well, for that, we have our new product, Vault. Once you have a trademark or hundreds of trademarks, staying on top of renewals and infringement monitoring is time-consuming, often confusing or decentralized. We are different from what all the docketing software offer today. We have a dashboard to take a bird's-eye view of your global intellectual property. We have infringement monitoring and automated cease and desist letters. You'll never miss a renewal ever again because all our renewals are automated and you can stay on top of dates that are years away. You can also stay one step ahead with competitive intelligence. You can track any company's intellectual property worldwide in seconds with real-time data from the USPTO. And finally, you can discover new opportunities for monetization. Vault delivers licensing opportunities specifically tailored to your IP. Then you can manage your licensing deals on Brainbase Assist. You can protect your assets starting as low as $5 a month, or you can pay for an annual or a multi-year subscription plan. This completes our life cycle of the intellectual property management. The Brainbase platform offers 3 new products, File, Vault, and Assist, to give you an end-to-end control on your intellectual property lifecycle. Thank you very much. To get early access to our File and Vault products, please get on our waitlist by visiting waitlist.brainbase.com.